Each one of these squishies will give me a different power. The jellyfish will give me... That must explain why my...
I'm tired, boss.
You guys pick your... I think it's only
I got a magic necklace now, and I can sing, and I can pout. I love you, you love me, and we're a big happy family.
She sounds like Chewbacca. Like, what? Lily, what are you doing? What? Mama is trying to film. What is wrong with you?
A few minutes later.
She wanted a snack.